Now playing is Start Formula for Effective Reading by Dr. Vivekanand Kullolli. The summary is, Summary. The Start Formula by Dr. Vivekanand Kullolli summarizes the key principles for effective reading. It emphasizes selecting books based on emotional status, professional and personal goals, and using the Pomodoro technique for focused reading. The formula also encourages analysis of the content, recreating and repositioning the learnings, and teaching others to solidify understanding and contribute to society. The summary of each topic is S stands for selection of the book for your read. The text discusses the Start Formula for Effective Reading by Dr. Vivekanand Kullolli. It suggests selecting books based on emotional status, such as biopics for feeling low, or time management books for procrastination. It also recommends choosing books related to professional goals, including those by authoritative writers in one's field, and books on leadership, communication, management, and finance. Personal goals can be addressed through books on goal setting, health and fitness, relationship management, and alignment with desires, hobbies, and attitude for success. T stands for Technique for Effective Reading. The provided text is a formula for effective reading, called the Start Formula by Dr. Vivekanand Kullolli. The formula suggests using the technique method, which involves following the Pomodoro technique of reading with deep focus. This technique includes reading for 25 minutes with undivided attention, followed by a 5-minute break to revise and reflect on the content. To begin, it is recommended to start with the book's summary by reading the prologue and epilogue. Key points and phrases should be highlighted, and short notes should be made at the end of each page. These notes should be revised after 24 hours to improve long-term memory retention and application. A stands for Analysis of the Read Content and Principles. The Start Formula for Effective Reading by Dr. Vivekanand Kullolli suggests analyzing the read content and principles. This involves evaluating the claims made by the author, comparing them to other books on the same subject, and reflecting on personal real-life experiences, using a 360-degree perspective. R stands for Recreate to Reposition. The Start Formula by Dr. Vivekanand Kullolli emphasizes the importance of recreating and repositioning knowledge. Analyze and validate concepts to embrace true wisdom and achieve success in life. T stands for Teaching your learned lessons to others, to help them. Summary report. The Start Formula emphasizes the importance of teaching others what you have learned through reading. By sharing your knowledge with family, friends, colleagues, and students, you not only help them achieve success, but also contribute to society and the environment. Teaching others makes you a responsible and accountable reader, and allows you to convert knowledge into wisdom. Additionally, the act of teaching ensures that the learned lessons are deeply ingrained in your memory. Thank you for watching the video of Start Formula for Effective Reading by Dr. Vivekanand Kullolli.